Hi, Trish Stewart here. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to talk about free motion thread sketching. And to get started, you need to have fabric and stabilizer. I'm using linen. I love linen because it's a little bit coarser and thicker and it's easier to learn on. Plus it's prettier than cotton. Anyway, this is linen and I have it over a piece of tearaway stabilizer. Now this is a great stabilizer because it's not only tearaway, it's also wash away. What that means for you is that after you have attached the linen and the tearaway to each other with a little bit of fusible spray adhesive, which I'm going to just zap on here and then smooth it out so that it doesn't come apart. What this means for you is that when you finish with this and you put your batting and your backing on your project and you decide to wash it, that the tearaway that's left in here will dissolve, but it does leave some fibers behind, and that's great because what that's going to do is it's going to keep your stitching stable so it doesn't pucker and buckle on you. So that's it. We're going to move to the machine next.